Hello my curious friends, how are you? My name is Atharva and you are watching Mr. Fact. This video is very important. Please share this video with your friends. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscription is in your hand. About this video, the surrounding in which we live form our environment. This includes our home, our school and all the peoples, animals and plants that lives around us. Our environment also includes the air around us and the soil where plants grow. Every animal and plants have its own environment. The science that deals with the study of our environment is known as ecology. People who study them are called ecologists. Ecologists study how animals and plants interact with each other and with the non-living elements of their environment. This is necessary to know that in things in order to conserve wildlife in nature reserve. Through this, we can access how human activities are affecting nature. Our nature environment is being spoiled by industries' waste in the form of smoke and harmful chemicals. This can be called pollution. We should be careful of our environment and save it from pollution. So in this topic, I am going to discuss about what is environment, ecology and environment, human environment, studying the environment, habitats, ecosystem and the conclusion of this video. So let's get started with what is environment, ecology and environment. Ecology and environment. Environment refer to external condition or surrounding in which a plant or an animal lives. This surrounding determines the development and behavior of living beings. For example, lotus and water lily are specially designed by nature to live in water. They cannot survive anywhere else. They need aquatic condition to grow and develop. Ecology is the science that studies the behavior of plants and animals in particular environment condition. Ernst Haeckel, a German biologist, first introduced this term. Ecology is derived from Greek word oikos, which means a place to live in. Second point is human environment. Human beings are one of the most important components of the environment. They are known as to frequently change their environment according to change their in way of life. They use natural resource in very unplanned way. They seldom think about future effects while using the natural resources. As compared to human beings, animals are much more responsible. They live in integrated and do not change their environment too frequently. They rather adapt themselves according to environmental conditions. The study of human behavior with respect to their environment is known as human ecology. The third topic is studying the environment. Scientists who study the environment are known as ecologists. They take different measurements and make their own observation as a part of their study. On the basis of this measurement and observation, they can understand the behavior of different animals with respect to their environment. The job of an ecologist is basically to understand how various kind of natural processes work. Fourth topic is habitat. Habitat is defined as the nature home of a group of plants and animals. This group of living things is known as community. The habitat is also called address of species. The habitat compares distant areas which have their own characteristic climates, soils and living communities of plants and animals. Trees are the most common example of habitats. They are home to survive several birds, insects and worms. Similarly, water bodies and habitats of many water birds, plants and animals. A tree provides living space for many different animals. And fifth, ecosystem. An ecosystem is distant area where various different species of plants and animals live together in harmony. An ecosystem comprises the soil and the rocks underground and ground level and the air enveloping it. It consists of a number of habitats. The behavior of plants and animals depend on conditions prevailing in their ecosystem. Living things adapt themselves to their surrounding and are associated with each other to constituent communities. Each one of them has specific role to play with each ecosystem. Conclusion. Ernst Haeckel was a supporter of Charles Darwin. His idea of ecology was forgotten until about 1900 when biologists began to take serious interest in it. Ecosystems are distributed over the earth mainly according to climates. There are zones of different climates ranging from cold and dry at the poles to hot and wet at equators. Some ecosystems have distant borders, they can be easily differentiated. But many ecosystems merge together. The area where the merge is called an ecotone. Human beings can also change their environment to suit their way of life. The study of human change their environments is known as human ecology. Don't forget to share this video. It is an awareness video. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.